In this video, I'm going to show you how to create access cards and limit and grant access to specific parts of the system. So first, let's go ahead and create an access card. So to do that, we're going to come here to Access on the top left-hand side, and you'll see that we've got our registered access card. So this is going to grant access to registered parts of the system. So someone has signed up, they have given you their name, email, and they've created a password, and they can log into your system. They can now access parts of the system that only registered users can access. But let's create an extra level of access, and let's call it VIP. So this is going to be a card that users can purchase or be given access to, and they can then access parts of the system that no one else has access to. So to do that, we're going to click over here on Add Access, and we're going to call it VIP. And then we can go ahead and hit Save. So from here, you can go ahead and edit the access type, and you'll see that you can edit everything from discounts to pages to payment methods to products to programs to shipping rules and surcharges. So there are a lot of different parts of the system where you can grant special access to specific users. And we're not going to mess with any of this right now. What we're going to do is go ahead and hit Save. And now I've gone and created a special VIP page on my website. So I'm just going to navigate over to my website by clicking on View Your Website. And you'll see we've got our main landing page here, and then we've got our VIP page. This is currently set to be available to all users, but I don't want it to be available to all users. In fact, I would like it to only be available to my VIP users. So I'm going to open my navigator. I'm going to click on my VIP page, and this is my VIP page. It's not very pretty, but it is what it is. And I'm going to click on those three dots, and I'm going to open the settings. And I'm going to come here to my availability settings, and I'm going to make sure that this is not available to all users and that it is only available to users with the access card that is the VIP access card. And I'm going to hit Done, and I'm going to save that. All right, so those changes are saved. I can go ahead and publish. I haven't made any changes, so I don't need to publish anything. But now I'm going to navigate back to my contacts, and I'm going to come here to Amy Ramirez, and I'm going to give her the VIP access card. So we're just going to go ahead and say yep, and there you go, and we're going to hit save. So now Amy Ramirez has the VIP access card. I'm going to go ahead and reset her password quickly. And I'm going to grab her email address, and then I'm going to visit the site as Amy Ramirez. All right, so as a logged out user, you can see I can only access the home page. The VIP page is not available to me. If I go and log in, and we're going to log in as Amy Ramirez and log in, you'll see that that VIP page becomes available to me. But what if I log in as a different user? So I'm going to go ahead and log out as Amy Ramirez, and I'm going to log in as someone else. So let me quickly give another user a password. So let's log in as Andre Austin. And it's trying to navigate me to the VIP page, which it can't do. So it's giving me this 404 error because this user doesn't have access to the VIP page. And you'll see that that VIP page isn't even showing up as an option in my menu. So that is pretty much what granting access does. And now there are loads of different parts of the system where you can apply this VIP access. So I'm going to navigate back to my admin area, and the parts of the system that you can apply this to are, of course, well, everything. So if I create a product, for example, and I say my product, and let's give it a price, and we'll leave the rest as is and hit save. If I come here to my settings, I can make this product only available to users who have the VIP access card. I can also use a product like this to sell the VIP access card. So this could be my VIP access purchase bundle, and I'll come here, and when they buy this product, they'll be granted VIP access. So that's irrelevant. They wouldn't be able to purchase this product if this product is only available to VIPs. So, but you can create a product and sell the access card that way. But you can apply this access card pretty much anywhere in the system where availability matters. You can apply it in your programs, you can apply it in your products, your discounts. As I said, if we go back to that access card here, yeah, let's just leave that. You can then change which parts of the system certain access cards grant or deny. So it's all available here for you to edit, but you can also edit it in the relevant parts of the system. You can also manually add contacts to this access card down here at the bottom. So that is everything you need to know about creating and assigning access in the system. In the next video, we're going to go over creating compliance and consent in the system. I'll see you there.